हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू कलेक्शन ऑफ स्टडी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस एजुकेशन वीडियो में मैं आपको डीएवी क्लास 8 साइंस के चैप्टर नंबर 1 द सेल इट्स स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शंस का सॉल्यूशन देने वाली हूँ। तो चलिए स्टूडेंट्स शुरू करते हैं। फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स। ऑल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म्स आर मेड अप ऑफ सेल्स। द सेल वॉल प्रोवाइड्स rigidity and protection to the plant cell. All cellular activities are controlled by the nucleus. The mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. Tissue is a group of cells performing a specific function. It was Robert Hooke who observed cells for the first time. Next, match the following. Golgi complex, packaging center. Ribosomes, protein synthesis. Chromosomes, genes. Dead cells, cork. Photosynthesis, chloroplasts. Next देखते हैं, tick the correct option. The cell organelle which acts as a storage bag for a cell is known as the vacuole. Hence, egg is a single cell. The nucleus is separated from the cytoplasm by the nuclear membrane. Which of the following will not be found in an egg cell, human liver cell and an amoeba cell wall? Which of the following represents the correct sequence? Cell, tissue, organ system. Which amongst the following pairs can be found only in a plant cell but not in an animal cell? Cell wall and plastids. Next, answer the following questions in brief. List the main factors that determine the shape of a cell. Location and function of a cell determines its shape. Next question है, distinguish between unicellular and multicellular organism. Give two examples of each. Unicellular organism composed of a single cell. Examples: amoeba, bacteria. Multicellular organism composed of more than one cell. Examples: cockroach and monkey. Next question है, question number 3. Give reasons for the following. The cell is called the structural and fundamental unit of life. All organisms are made up of cells. A cell is capable of independent existence. Due to this, cell is called the structural and fundamental unit of life. Plant cells are more rigid than animal cells. Cell wall is present in plant cell. Due to this, plant cells are more rigid than animal cells. Next question है, question number 4. Which cell organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Why is it so called? Mitochondria are the site of cellular respiration. Energy is produced during this process. Due to this, mitochondria are called the powerhouse of the cell. Next question है, name the cell organelles responsible for imparting color to the leaves and fruits of a plant. Chloroplast is responsible for imparting color to the leaves. Chloroplast is responsible for imparting color to fruits. Next question है, what are cilia and flagella? Write one similarity and one dissimilarity between two of them. These are small extensions on some cells. These structures help in locomotion in a cell. Cilia are much smaller than flagella. Next question है, question number 7. If onion peel cells and chickpeas are observed through a microscope, state the two major differences that the observer is likely to see. Onion peel cells. Cells are arranged in rows. Cell wall is present. Chick cells. Cells randomly arranged. Cell wall is absent. Next question है, question number 8. Classify the following into cells, tissue and organ: skin, fat cell, RBC, blood, ear, muscle. सेल में आ जाएगा फैट सेल, आरबीसी, टिश्यू, ब्लड और मसल, ऑर्गन, स्किन एंड ईयर. लिख लीजिए स्टूडेंट्स. नेक्स्ट हम लोग देखते हैं, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. ऑल सेल्स इन आवर ऑर्गेनिज्म do not have same shape. Justify the above statement by drawing at least 3 different types found in human beings: liver cell, fat cell, smooth muscle cells. This figure shows that liver cell is irregular in shape, fat cell is spherical and muscle cell is spindle shaped. This shows that all cells in organism do not have the same shape. Next question है question number 2. Where and how are chromosomes found? State their significance. Chromosomes are found in the muscles during cell division. When the cell is ready to divide, the chromatin condenses to form thicker thread-like chromosomes. Chromosomes are responsible for inheritance of characters from one generation to the next generation. Next question देखते हैं question number 3. With the help of well-labeled diagrams, highlight 3 differences between plant cell and animal cell. देखिए यहाँ पे well-labeled diagram बना हुआ है प्लांट सेल और एनिमल सेल का. लेफ्ट साइड प्लांट सेल है, राइट साइड एनिमल सेल है. अब हम लोगों को इसके बीच डिफरेंसेस लिखने 3. प्लांट सेल एंड एनिमल सेल. Cell wall is present, animal cell. Cell wall is absent. Chloroplast is present in plant cell. Chloroplast is absent in animal cell. Vacuole is very large in plant cell. Vacuoles are small in animal cell. Next question है question number 4. Write the function performed by the following cell organelles: endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, nucleus, chromoplast, vacuoles, mitochondria. इसका आंसर देखते हैं. फर्स्ट होगा ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ सब्सटेंस, पैकेजिंग ऑफ सब्सटेंस, कंट्रोलिंग एंड फंक्शंस ऑफ ए सेल, इम्पार्टिंग कलर टू फ्लावर्स एंड फ्रूट्स, स्टोरेज एंड रेस्पिरेशन. देख लीजिए स्टूडेंट्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. द सेल मेम्ब्रेन इज ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट component of a cell. How is damage to the cell membrane likely to impact the function of the cell? When the cell membrane gets damaged, it exposes the cell's contents to external involvement. This results in stoppage of all functions of the cell and eventually to the cell death. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Define the term cell for plants, animals. Name the different organelles that make a cell. Explain why none of these is called the structural and functional unit of life. Cell is the fundamental and structural unit of life. Different cell organelles in a plant cell are nucleus, Golgi complex, mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, vacuole and ribosome. None of the cell organelles is capable of independent existence, so they are not called the structural and functional unit of life. Next देखते हैं value based questions. The biology teacher started her lesson on the structure and functions of the animal/plant cells by talking about a cricket team. She told her students that a team wins its matches only when all its members work as a team and do their assigned roles in an efficient, sincere and responsible way. She then went on to say that the animal plant cells also work properly as their different parts work as a team and do their specific functions. She advised her students to imbibe the team spirit and do their specific functions as responsible members of any team they may be a part of. First question है, name 2 of the values that the teacher spoke of in her class. Team spirit and sticking to your role. बाकी के क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट्स आप लोग अपने कीजिएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इसी के साथ हम लोगों का सॉल्यूशन वीडियो कंप्लीट हो गया. यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और यदि आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल पे प्रेस कर लीजिए, क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए ऐसे एजुकेशन वीडियोस लाती रहती हूँ. स्टूडेंट्स, यदि आप किसी और चैप्टर का एक्सप्लेनेशन या सॉल्यूशन वीडियो चाहते हैं तो मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर दीजिए और वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा. अपने दोस्तों के बीच और क्लासमेट्स के बीच ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिएगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.